There's a lot of companies out there that do a lot of time-based repair, on couplings, so at certain timed intervals, they'll just go in and rebuild or replace the couplings. Well, they're doing a lot of unnecessary work because a lot of those couplings, there's no issues, no problems. So that's a great application where you can deploy airborne ultrasound is with coupling inspections. Also, where I've seen a lot of successful use with airborne ultrasound for mechanical inspection is one with conveyors. Maybe you're in a mining
Mm.
industry where you've got thousands of feet of either rollers or some sort of open face rolling element type bearings. It would be impossible to go around and make contact with every single one of those. So, a lot of successful use in airborne ultrasound, just simply either walking the line, or I've even seen where you just hop in a truck, hop in a golf cart, and just ride that conveyor line. And if you have one of those types of bearings going bad, it will give off airborne audible ultrasonic noise that you can then narrow down and pinpoint exactly which one of those is going bad. Also, in distribution type centers, where again, you've got thousands of feet, if not miles, of conveyors. Just simply walking that conveyor line with, say, something like a paradish or some sort of long range type attachment to where your distance is easily in excess of 90 to 100 feet. And even if that distance is very narrow in focus, so it makes it very easy to pinpoint which one of those rollers or which one of those bearings is going bad.